Hello, this is Inspiration Kulot. Welcome to my page, Inspiration Kulot. If you are new to my page, please follow so that every time I upload new videos, you'll be notified and be updated. I have also a YouTube channel, Inspiration Kulot. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you will be also updated and be notified. Thank you for this very good short story that you'll get lesson of this story. This story, I read this from the Facebook page of Chima Dixon Official. Thank you, to the rightful author and writer of this short story, Chima Dixon Official. The title of the story is that Who Will Save You? A short story worth your time. One day, a young girl asked her grandmother, "Grandmama, when I grow up, will someone come to save me? Will someone come to fix me, to help me, and make things happen for me?" Her grandmother thought for a moment and said, "Definitely. There is always someone who will come to save you, someone who will rescue you from your problems, have your back, support you, and take responsibility for your life." The young girl then asked, "Who could the person be? How do I know him or her once I see them?" Her grandmother hesitated for a second, then suddenly took off her ring and threw it into a big drum of water. At that moment, she told her, "Please get me back my ring in the drum of water." Wondering why her grandmother threw her ring into the drum of water, the young girl struggled to get back the ring. The drum was a bit too high and the ring was resting at the bottom of the water. So it was difficult for her to pick it up. However, after struggling a lot, she succeeded in bringing the ring out of the water. Her grandmother showered her with praise and said, "Good job. Now I want to ask you two questions and then tell you something. First, while you were struggling to get back the ring, who helped you?" The young girl answered, panting for breath, "Nobody. I did it all myself." Her grandmother then asked, "Second, while you are struggling to get back the ring, who did you see in the water?" The young girl responded, "I saw myself, my reflection in the water." At that moment, her grandmother offered her a warm smile, patted her cheek, and said gently, "Exactly, sweetheart. It is true that someone will come to save you and get you out of your difficulties, but it is no one else but you. When you are struggling, the only person you see is yourself. You are at your own hero. Listen, I know it sounds harsh, but it's true. You can only save yourself. Nobody is coming to rescue you from your problems. The truth is, you shouldn't sit around and wait for a miracle to come your way. Nobody is going to magically come in and do the work for you. Taking responsibility of your life and recognizing that you can't depend on others to solve all of your problems is an essential step to achieving success. It's important to remember that by putting in the effort of taking action, you can make things happen for yourself. You are the one who will save yourself. That's the end of the short story. And thank you to the rightful author and writer of this short story, Chima Diction Official. Please follow his Facebook page because you can learn from his writings. He is a writer. You know, guys, I want to here again. I am struggling in talking in English because I am not good in English. I am a Bisaya and a Filipina. You know, guys, this story is very good. Very you can get lesson out of this because not all of the times people come to rescue us, help us in times of our problems, in times of our troubles, in times of our depression, in times of our weaknesses, in times of we are broke financially and everything. Is because not all of the times your family, your loved ones, your friends, what you called friends, are not always there for you to help you, and you must not depend all of the times on them because, as I said, they are not always around to help you. This is really a good. I want to. This the conclusion of the story. Uh, there. What your grandmother said. The truth is, the truth is, you shouldn't sit around and wait for a miracle to come your way. Yes, many of us are waiting for miracles to come in our life. I'm waiting for a miracle to happen in my life. Just like beating a lotto. Oh, and nobody is going to magically come in and do the work for you. Yes, you are alone, and so just like a magic, someone will come to you and help you do your work. Taking responsibility for your life and recognizing that you can't depend on others to solve all of your problems is an essential step to achieving success. Yes, very true. Very true. Because you cannot depend on others to solve all of your problems. You must solve your problems alone, which is essential to your success. But sometimes we need people. We need people. We need people to make us successful. Because no man is an island. But the right people, the right person, not the wrong person. You know what I mean? It's important to remember that by putting in the effort and taking action, you can make things happen for yourself. Putting things into action, you can make things happen for yourself. Action. Make an action so that things will happen to yourself. Action ta. Kasi kung walang action, wala talagang success. We need action for our dreams and goals. You are the one who will save yourself. Ikaw lang ikaw lang ang ano ba sa Tagalog yung save. Ikaw lang makasave sa iyong sarili. Kasi ikaw lang nakaalam kung ano nasa mind mo, kung ano sa heart mo, 'di ba? May mga tao diyan kung we need their help sa harap-harapan sila, para siyang totoo ba, harap-harapan parang totoo, parang tutulong, pero pag natalikod ka na, sinisiraan ka na sa ibang tao. Ganun pala si Kuana, ganun. 'Di ba? Totoo 'yan. Lalo na sa mga Pinoy. So, you are the only one to save yourself. But you must include God. You must include Jesus Christ in your life. Kalimutan ng writer na hindi lang ang ating self to maka-save sa ating self, sa ating sarili. Without God, we are nothing. Everything we do, God must be present. So, thank you. This is Inspiration Kulot. Please share so that you can inspire others also. As I said, life is short. Be kind. Everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle, and be an influencer of love and care. Be an inspiration of love and happiness. Thank you.